Today unboxing is on the latest Tomica Premium arrival, the Nissan Sileighty. This Sileighty is released in Japan today, along with the other red box, the Mazda 3 and also the Daihatsu Rocky, which I'll showcase the unboxing video later. This Sileighty is a modified version of the 180SX and is very popular with car racers and mini car collectors in the Initial D category. Although there's no Initial D license for this Nissan Sileighty, the body color is in impact blue, similar to Mako Sato Drift, who battled against Takumi in Initial D. At the scale of 1:62, it features the opening door and standard suspension. Wow, very gorgeous casting. I really like it. In the Tomica Premium settings, a very striking body color in impact blue, realistic plastic insert headlights which integrate with the body seamlessly, realistic wheel sets in gold that rolls extremely well. It's very nicely executed for plastic wheel sets. Whole presentation of this Sileighty is very clean, one of the best Tomica Premium released this year. I really like this casting because I'm an Initial D fan. Nissan 180SX marking is clearly visible with opening doors. Rear is nicely executed with the plastic spoiler that is integrated with the body color in impact blue, Nissan badge 180SX marking, and also very realistic plastic insert rear lights. The base is in plastic and is very detailed, very minimal factory suspension because it's low. This Tomica Premium Nissan Sileighty is really worth the wait. It's exactly the casting I'm waiting for and what I expected. In the Tomica Premium category, it totally delivers my expectation. There's a lot of safety aspects, safety features such as those opening parts to be taken into consideration, hence the proportion may not be totally accurate including the stance. It will be perfect if this casting is in 1:64 scale. If you are an Initial D fan, this is a must-have casting. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!